Hello there, sweet friends. Welcome to Dionea Creates. In today's video, we are going to be making a quick little ornament using this ornament blank. You could use it as an ornament or even a tag on one of your gifts. We're going to be using the IOD Partridge Lane transfer to make this, along with just some paints and some trims and other little fun things. So let's just get started. So you guys, the first thing that I want to do is I want to paint this, and I want to use the Dixie Belle Buttercream for this because, as you guys know, I really love this color, and I think it makes a great base. So let me just stir my paint a little bit here because it's got kind of thick on me. So you guys, I'm excited to use this transfer. I've had this since it came out, and I haven't created anything with it yet, so I'm so excited to use it. I thought I would be a lot further along on my crafting, but, you know, it is what it is, right? And we just kind of go with the flow. Just go with the flow. I got these little ornament blanks. I think I got these off of Amazon. I've had them in my crafting stash for a little bit, but I'm pretty sure I got, you know, just a package of them from Amazon. This color makes just such a perfect little base for everything. Kind of thick, so I'm just wetting my paintbrush a little bit. And we're going to go around the edges. I'm going to go around the edges probably with something else too, but I want to cover up a little bit of this wood part if we can. So you guys, let me know in the comments what you've been creating for this holiday season. I would love, love, love for you to share that. I think this is my first Christmas craft of the season. It's been so busy. I'm a little behind. Okay, that's gonna make a perfect coat. And I'm probably gonna come back with like golden rule or something on like the hanger part of the ornament to give it, you know, that pretty gold kind of look, I think. Plus I need something to be able to hold on to it. So I'm gonna dry this really quick with my little heat gun here. Okay. Is all dry. So now we're just going to put a little bit of the satin top coat on here. Here's one. So that the transfer will just go on here easier. So tell me, have you guys used this IOD Partridge transfer? Partridge Lane, that's what it is. So many pretty elements in here. If you guys have watched me for a while, you know how much I love little houses, and this transfer has so many in there. I gotta think of what I want to do with those. Okay, and now I'm gonna try this one more time. All right. Now, you guys, I think we are ready to put the transfer on. Feels all dry. We'll let it sit just a second while we are going to cut out a transfer. I think I know which one I want to use. But let's see. I'm going to move this out of the way just for a second here so we can look. I'm not going to use the little house. I think I want to use this one right here, which is the like the partridge in a pear tree. Or at least that's what I think it is. This rooster one is really, really cute too, but I think I want to use this partridge one. There's so many cute ones in here. Just cut this down a little bit more. I'm really thinking that I might use these for tags on my gifts. I think that would be, you know, then it's also, I mean, then it's kind of like, you know, they get 2 gifts in one because the ornament. I think most of this is going to fit. Let's go ahead and separate it and see. Going to be really pretty. I can already tell. So let's just get our little transfer tool here and let's just start working on it. And now I'm just going and I'm burnishing it onto the ornament here. Oh my gosh, y'all, I am in love with this. This is so beautiful. I don't know, it's so pretty. Some of the things I was going to do with this, I might not do that now. This is so pretty all on its own. Like how pretty that is, y'all. Oh my goodness, I really like it. So we are going to take a little bit of our Distress inks and we are going to go around the edges just to give it, you know, you guys know that I like that kind of vintage and antique kind of look to it. And so I do want to go around and do that on here. Just to give it that kind of old look. And we're going to go around the edges with it. All right. Oh, that's so pretty. All right. And so the next thing that I want to do is I want to take this. This is the Golden Rule from Debi's DIY, and I want to get just a small paintbrush, and I want to paint the lid, I want to paint the lid. I want to paint the little ornament top with gold. I just think that will really kind of set this off. And I've got gold paint around here somewhere, but I didn't bring it, so we're just going to use this. And we're also going to go around the edges with this golden ticket, golden rule. I don't know why I want to call it golden ticket. Oh, that looks so pretty. All right, and then I want to go around these edges with this gold also. Just to kind of finish this off and give it that kind of old world, Victorian kind of look. I'm going to try to go around the inside of the edges too. So I'm just wanting to be really, oops. You know, where it looks just really authentic and really, you know, kind of aged, but not perfection. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this. Oh, it's so pretty. And this gold just really adds to it. It's so gloppy. It's hard to do much because it's all still so wet. Okay, so now the final thing that we're going to do is we are going to add a hanger, and I thought it would be pretty, since this is kind of Victorian looking, I thought it would be pretty to use pearls as the hanger. I just think that's just classic Victorian and shabby chic, and just it adds just that little bit of nostalgia, or at least to me, but I love pearls anyway. And so we're just gonna do like this, and then that will be our hanger. Or it can be our tag. It can be our tag for a gift, which I think that would be a gift in itself if this was the tag on a gift. Yeah, just really, really, really pretty. I cannot wait to make some more of these because I just think that's really beautiful. So, you guys, that is our craft for today. Pretty quick, pretty easy. You still got some time. If you have this Partridge Lane transfer, you got some time to make some quick little ornaments that, as you can see, just turn out absolutely beautiful. So let me know in the comments if you're going to give this a try. And other than that, I think that will wrap up our little Christmas craft for today. So until next time, stay cozy and stay warm, and we'll see you again real soon.